Hi, today I am going to simulate static analysis of a plate. Problem statement: the plated is attached to the fixture and the load 100,000 newtons is pulling to the right-hand side.
Go to Options, then click on Add-in. Tick on Solidworks Simulations box. Go to New Study, then click Study. Change the name to Tensile Load 1. For the 2D simplification, leave it as default. Now we are in the Solidworks simulation mode, which we will do 4 important steps. First, I am going to add material, then I am going to choose alloy steel, then click Apply, and then close the tab. Now I am going to add fixture. First click on the fixture, then choose Fixed Geometry. After that, click on this surface. Then click OK. Next step is choosing load, since the problem description is that the load is subjected to 100,000 newtons on the right-hand side of the plate. Changing direction of the load by clicking on the edge of the material, then apply 100,000 newton on that surface. After then click OK. Next step is click on the mesh icon, then choose Create Mesh. Adjust mesh density to the smallest. In the mesh parameters, choose Standard Mesh. The numerical input, leave it as default. Next, in the study icons, choose Run. Now we obtained the simulation result of stress, strain, and displacement. Go to Results and right-click, then choose Define Factor of Safety Plot. Step 1, choose All Options, then click on the von Mises stress. Then set Factor of Safety by 3. Next, set the unit to megapascals, then multiplication factor, leave it as 1. Choose area below factor of safety, then set the number to 3. The red areas indicated that it has factor of safety lower than 3. Then I want to check the stress across the edge of this plate by choosing Probe. Then choose on Selected Entities. Click the edge and click Update. Then selected this icon. This is the von Mises stress y-axis versus parametric distance x-axis across the plate.